Hi everyone, I'm making this video because many people of you ask me if those shapes or structures I'm making out of copper are for sale, how much they cost, and also people ask me what's the purpose, how they can use these kind of structures. First of all, I'm not making these structures to sell them. Here it's another one, maybe it's going to be interesting for you. Those structures, those shapes, also this one on my left side and this is on the right side, those are different structures, different shapes, and people see that they are very cool, they like them, and they ask how they can use them. First of all, those structures, they are very cool and they look nice and people are attracted to them because they represent something within ourselves. They represent the balance or the harmony or the alignment between the physical mind and also the higher mind, or the physical aspect of us as a person, our personality, and our soul. The synchronicity, the balance, the symmetry between those two aspects, between physical and non-physical. They represent this kind of ideas, and we have those structures within ourselves already, and that's why we recognize them and we feel attracted and they look cool, because they are built in a specific ratios, specific proportions, golden ratios, and so on and so forth. But I'm making this video to share with you that actually you do not need those structures. Your power is within yourself. Those structures, those shapes, they do not have power built inside of them. They serve as an antennas, as an amplifiers, to amplify and to magnify something that you already have within yourself. If you meditate every day or every week regularly, and you can create a state of being of positive energy like love and gratitude and compassion and so on and so forth, those structures can be very useful for you because they can amplify and magnify those states and can help you to tune even deeper into those experiences. But if you put them in your home just because they're cool, just to make your home look nice, they will have, of course, some kind of effect. Because you will recognize them, you will see them, they can affect you just by seeing them, but the effect will be minimum, okay? Even if they generate a positive fields, to be affected by those fields, you need to match those frequency. You need to create the state of being within yourself and the resonance with those devices. So in order for you to use those tools, those instruments, the best thing is to work consciously with your state of being. And to learn how to do that, I create a meditation, a group meditation or a workshop every Sunday for all of my friends that are speaking English. And for those who are speaking Bulgarian from my country, I'm making it on Monday, and eventually also on Sunday we'll make a group meditation eventually. But in this kind of workshops and meditations, you will be able to remember, because you already know these things, how to work consciously with your energy, with your intention, with your imagination, which is a very powerful tool to create consciously those powerful states of being, to tap into those fields of love and gratitude and compassion, which are not just pleasant sensations or feelings. Those are the most powerful energies that life creates, universes create systems of balance and harmony and create ecosystems, and the entire evolution is based on those powerful energies. They are not just the feelings. They are very powerful energy fields and informational domains, if you want, because when you tap them, you go into the holographic structure of the existence and you can receive information, you can send and work in a completely different way. And thus then, once people remember how to use and how to work with their inner state, with their hearts, thus then maybe one day I can begin and make those structures for sale, because right now my purpose is not to make money from them. I'm exploring them, I'm working with them myself, and they are teaching me also they're helping me to understand by using them what is the best way to be used, because they have consciousness also by themselves. They are like an archetypes, because the different shapes, the different ratios represent different frequencies, and each frequency have a specific characteristic, specific keys, specific properties, if you wish, and can be used in a different way, but can be used only if the person know how to work consciously with the inner world, with his own energy. If he can generate powerful states of being an energy field, only thus then they can be very and actually useful for him. If somebody buy them because they look just cool and put it at home, they are working maybe in 1% of what they can do actually. Okay, so this is why I'm not selling them. I'm not seeking to make profit, although I can do that. But my idea is to remind you how you can do this, how you can work consciously with your state of being. And each Sunday, 5 o'clock Greenwich Mean Time, it's absolutely free. Everybody can participate. Doesn't matter how much experience you have or you don't have. We're going to use the music as a tool to create a resonance with our heart, to open it, and then to use the imagination as an amplifier to uplift and create images that are in alignment with who we prefer to be, with the life itself, with the vision that life has for us. And this, it will boost our state. And by doing this in a group, not only the frequency is high, but we create constructive interference together, and also the amplitude is rising, creating very, very powerful energy fields. And you don't need those structures, because you can build them within yourself, within your body, within your mind and your heart, and you can carry them everywhere you go. People will recognize them when they see you, because even though they will be invisible, they will feel attracted to you, because you will feel different. You will be different, and they will feel the attraction, because you will emit those codes, those keys, the essence of who you are and who other people are, because we have that same essence. So you can carry this, you can build them absolutely free, deep inside of your consciousness, and it's not necessary to have an external. If you learn this, if you remember this, because you already know that, you know, because you're infinite and you already know all the information, it's within yourself. But if you remember this, then you don't need the external shapes. Then you don't need them. This is the paradox. And because you don't need them, and your frequency will be high, maybe you will be inspired how you can create your own, or I can also make you a gift, one of them, or eventually after time you can also exchange them, maybe with for the money or for other gifts. It's not necessary to be a money if we exchange the energy. It could be a collaboration or something else. So this is the reason why I'm not selling those, because people don't know yet how to use them. They just want to put them in to look nice, but they have a different purpose. They are antennas, and as an antennas, they are passive components. They need some kind of a receiver or transmitter to put energy and to send or to receive. And to do that, to understand how to create these receivers or transducers, if you wish, or transceivers, we're going to use our body for that, to create the energy field, the source, with the zero impedance. And this is how we actually going to use those structures. So if you feel excited, if this information is resonating with you, I'm inviting you on Sunday, and I will post probably the link on the bottom of this video, so you can join and you can literally experience maybe 100 times more higher or positive energy that those shapes can generate if you put them in your home. This is how powerful you are. The power is within you. It's not of external shapes, crystals or tools. The power is within ourselves, within our heart. And thus then, once we remember how to use it, we can use any other tool very efficiently and the way it's designed to be used, but not before that. So thank you for watching, and for those of you who resonate, I will see you on Sunday.